Donald Trump back in the Oval Office in 2025? What would it mean for Australia? From trade and security to climate policy, let's break it down. Stick around as we unpack how a second Trump presidency could shape Australia's future. First up, the U.S. Australia alliance. This relationship has been rock solid for decades, and that's not changing anytime soon. In fact, Trump's focus on countering China's influence would likely mean closer military ties with Australia. Think about the AUKUS pact, those nuclear-powered subs and advanced technologies. Trump would probably double down on these kinds of agreements. But here's the catch: Trump's transactional style could mean more pressure on Australia to step up defense spending or take on a bigger role in US military strategies in the Indo-Pacific. Would Australia be ready to meet those demands? Now, let's talk trade. Under Trump's America First policies, Australia could face some challenges. Remember those trade wars? If Trump revives tariffs or restrictions, Aussie exports like steel, aluminum, or even agriculture could feel the pinch. On the flip side, if the US looks to reduce its reliance on China, Australia might actually benefit. Critical minerals, LNG, and advanced tech could become bigger parts of our trade partnership with the US. Here's where things could get awkward: climate policy. Australia's government has been ramping up its climate action recently, but Trump? Well, his history of pulling out of climate agreements and supporting fossil fuels could put a damper on global progress. Would this create friction between Australia and the US, or would it force us to double down on our own commitments? Now let's talk about the elephant in the room: China. Trump's hardline approach to Beijing aligns with Australia's concerns about Chinese influence. This could mean even stronger collaboration on defense and intelligence. But it also risks escalating tensions with our biggest trading partner, China. Could Australia handle the economic fallout if relations with Beijing take another hit? Finally, let's not forget the unpredictability. Trump's leadership style keeps everyone guessing. This could create challenges for global markets, diplomacy, and even Australia's own geopolitical strategies. If the US steps back from international organizations, would Australia need to take on a bigger leadership role in the Pacific? So, to sum it up, a second Trump presidency could mean closer defense ties, trade challenges and opportunities, climate friction, and a whole lot of uncertainty. For Australia, it's all about balancing the risks and rewards of our special relationship with the US. What do you think? Would Trump's return be a win or a challenge for Australia? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into global issues.